All right, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions of another pair of true wireless earbuds for you guys and gals. Now, these in particular, these have me really excited because I believe these incorporate everything that I'm looking for in an earbud. So quick rundown of the feature set that got me excited about these. Now, these are truly wireless earbuds. That means there's no cables and they charge up via the charging case. All right. And the charging case in particular supposedly has an LED readout for it. Okay, so no need to wonder what the LED lights mean. You have a percentage readout with a front-facing LED. So I'm really excited about that. Other than that, these bad boys also incorporate Bluetooth 5.0. They have IPX6 sweat and water resistance. Okay, they have a dedicated chip, which means that you're supposed to get some really high definition phone calls and zero latency for video playback. And most importantly, they're touting with the case that you're supposed to get 28 hours of usage with the charging case and 4 hours of continuous usage with the earbuds. Okay, and they also have a one-step pairing process. And I'm hoping that they have the ability to use one earbud at a time. So this right here for you guys and gals is my unboxing and first impressions of the RCA True Wireless Earbuds. All right, so let's get into this. Now, starting off, let's talk about the packaging. Now, I gotta say, I really do like this overall packaging and presentation. Y'all can see up front, we just have a picture of the product, so you can see the True Wireless Earbuds and the case. Got some company branding right here. We have the model number right there. And then again, it tells you these are true wireless earbuds. Okay. Turning it to the side, you can see they're supposed to have a lightweight design. And you can see it's supposed to feature IPX6 sweat and water resistance. So really good stuff there. Flipping it down here, we got nothing. Flipping it over here, we're supposed to have, like I said, that dedicated chip on board that's supposed to give you zero latency for when playing back videos. And you're supposed to get some really crisp and clear phone calls. We're going to put that to the test. And again, that LED battery indicator on the case. All right. So that pretty much does it for the packaging itself. Flipping it to the back here, we just have some barcode information and some more company information. And I'm sure you guys and gals have probably heard of RCA. They're really popular for like toy cars, and they make some really cheap tablets. I'm sure you can find their tablets on like Walmart, Amazon, places like that. And you know, I'm always on the hunt for a really good deal, and the feature set on these had me saying, okay, I had to pick them up. And the price that they're available for, let me just show you real quick. Now, these are actually a better price than what I picked up mine for. But right now, as of the recording of this video, y'all can see it right there. They're available for 36 bucks. All right, but you can see the original price that has been slashed was $39.99, so $40. That's actually what I picked this up for, $40. So this is actually the same price point as, where is it? Where did I put it? I got the box right here. This is actually the same price point as the Bluetooth Truly Wireless Earbuds. So we'll see what it do, because these are really good. If you guys check out my review on these, I had really positive things to say about these, with one or two negatives that these right here rectify. So if the sound quality, the volume, the bass, the usage, and the convenience is as good as these, with this feature set, we might have a winner here. And again, these are for the same exact price. So I might have to do a versus / comparison video between the RCAs and the Bluetooths. Who knows? But that's something that's for another video if you guys and gals want to see that. Now let's crack into this box. The excitement is killing me. All right. So taking the lid off here. Let's put this lid off to the side. All right. Y'all can see we have the case itself with some company branding on it. All right, that looks really clean, I have to say. really clean. And you can see we do have the LED battery indicator right there. All right, flipping it to the side here. Up, is that what I think it is? Ooh, USB Type-C on deck. Okay, flipping it to the back, flipping it to the bottom. All we have on the bottom, now this is a little bit hard to read, is the model number. So the model number on these is the T11. And then we have some FCC information right down there. And I gotta say, this case looks really good. Okay, let me see how easy it is to open. All right, not bad at all. And you can see as soon as you open it, the battery percentage lights up. So good stuff. All right, we're going to come back to this. Let's see what else is included in the package. Let me rest these right here. That's super cool. I'm excited already for that. All right, let's see. Let's remove the insert here. Got another package right here. This is probably going to be your cables. Let's pop this. And hopefully your ear tips. So let's see. Okay, yes indeedy, it is USB Type-C. And they do provide a flat style cable, so that's nice to see. Now this looks a little short, so I probably won't use this, but it's really nice to see that this is another inexpensive pair of earbuds that incorporates USB Type-C. Alright, so good stuff there. Let me see if there's anything else in there. Okay, there is indeed, but it's down at the bottom. Okay, so y'all can see right there, we do have our ear tip sizes in here. We should have a small, a medium, and a large. And it's always important to try these and make sure you get the absolute best fit possible. All right. Now, I have to check them out and see, but we're only going to mess with that if they put the wrong size tips on here to start with. Let's drop this back in the box because I got a bunch of USB Type-C cables. I might not even use these. So we're going to put that off to the side. And let's see what else we got in here. All right. So what's this? Customer service card right here. Let me give y'all a close-up of that. So if you have any issues, there's their online store hours, their customer support email, and their support website, and the regular website as well. Feel free to pause and read this for yourselves. Give y'all a nice close-up. Okay, let's see what's on this side. Okay, and then we have some sharing information. Tell us about our product. Let us know your satisfaction, so on and so forth. Email, Twitter, and again the company website right there. I'm gonna hold this up for a second. Let y'all read this. All right, good stuff. Really nice. I'm liking this presentation, and I like the overall color scheme. Like the packaging and the cards and everything seem to match, so I really like that. Then we just got this nice protective silicone insert right here. All right, let's put this off to the side here. Let's clear all this out. All right. And then right here, we have the user manual itself. Okay. So really good stuff there. Very clean. Very straightforward. All right. Really in-depth user manual here. Okay. We're going to come back to this in a second. Now what I want to do before we walk through the user manual and wrap this video up is I just want to try on the earbuds in real time and let y'all know how I feel about them. So let's angle the camera up here. Let's pop the earbuds out. Now I do see that I have to charge them because the case itself is at 11%. So I'm definitely going to have to throw these on the charger before I start using them. But let's see how easy the buds are to take out. Oh, that came out super easy. No struggles on that. And so did this one. Alright, so it came out super easy right there. And you can see it does look like it already powered on. And it looks like it already put itself into pairing mode. Really nice case overall. You can see the case is labeled as well. So you got your right and left indicators. Really nice. All right, let's look for protective tape here. Okay, so no protective tape on this one. Got a clear glossy coat. And the earbuds themselves are labeled right down here. So this is your right earbud. I don't know how well y'all can see that. Let me see if I can get y'all a close up. That's your right earbud right there. Alright. And then this is your left earbud right here. Get y'all a close up of that. Really hard to see. Sorry, y'all. Yeah. Now what I want to do is let me drop these in real quick and let me give y'all a first impressions in real time how they fit. Then we're going to walk through the user manual and we'll wrap the video up. So let me put these in real fast. Alright. Put the left side in. Ooh, that's very comfy. Very comfy. Man, I can't talk. Put the right side in. Oh, that's also very comfy. Yeah. Let me shake my head a little bit. Alright, they're moving a little bit, but they're not coming out. And I'm shaking my head pretty vigorously back here. So, a little bit of play with them in my ears, but for the most part, they're not coming out. Oh, let me stop shaking my head before I give myself a headache. Alright, and they feel very comfortable. Now, there is a nice bit of sound isolation. Like I can barely hear myself talk, but I can hear myself talk nonetheless, so that's nice. Okay, and now real quick, let me take a selfie for y'all so y'all can see just what they look like. So let's take a selfie real quick. Got the Google Pixel on deck. Let me bust open the camera real fast and flip to the front facing camera, and let's give y'all that real quick side profile. Bam. Alright, and let me show y'all this real fast. Bam. Alright, so this is what the earbuds look like in my ears. Not bad. It contours to the side of my face very nicely. The stem itself is a little long, but not bad. It's pretty comfortable, so not bad at all. Alright, good stuff. So y'all can see that there. Let me show y'all one more time in case I did that too fast. This is what the earbuds look like in my ears. Now, y'all will get a better look in the fit and sound demo, but this is just for first impressions purposes. Alright, so not bad there. Okay, let me take the earbuds out real fast. Alright, so not bad at all. Still waiting for me to pair it up. Okay, I'm liking that presentation, the silver and the black. I like that. So now let's briefly walk through the user manual. Now, I'm going to go over everything you guys and gals need to know in the full review, but I know there's some of you guys and gals out there that like to see the user manual in the unboxing and first impressions. So let's go through this real quick. And if any of it is unclear, I'll throw up a screenshot in post, as I always do. So you can see it says True Wireless Earbuds, user manual, and you have your model number. Then we have a little thank you note down there. Okay. So again, the model number on these, in case you missed it on the case, and in case you missed it here, the model number is the T11. Alright. Then inside the user manual, we have a nice little diagram of where everything is and what all the ports and stuff are. So right and left indicator, the earbuds, the LED percentage indicator, power off and on. Okay, good stuff there. On this side, got some wearing tips, some charging tips. Alright. Okay. Flipping the page. Alright. Got some more charging tips here. Okay. And let's see. With the charging case, it says you can get approximately six full charges on the earbuds. Okay, we're going to put that to the test. Got some pairing steps here. We're going to go over that in the full review. Alright, and then we have some more information. So we got some functions of the earbuds. So these got your button controls here. So single tap, double tap, triple tap, all that stuff here. And your range on these is 10 meters or 33 feet. So that's pretty standard. Okay. Then we got our common questions. Alright. Connections, auto connect. Alright. Safety information. Alright. And we got some more information for the earbuds. So as I said, model number T11, Bluetooth 5.0. Now, this is the important stuff that we need to know here. The earbuds themselves have a 35 milliamp hour battery on them, and then the charging case is an 800 milliamp hour battery in the charging case. All right. The earbuds themselves take an hour and a half to reach a full charge, and the charging case is supposedly supposed to take 2 hours. Now, they recommend you use a 5 volt 1 amp charger. Okay. All right. And then they give you the percentages for the earbuds, and then including the case. So 4 hours of continuous usage with earbuds, and then including the case, you should get 28 hours. All right, we're going to put that to the test. The range again, and some audio codecs right here. And they do have that dedicated chip, so there should be no latency, and you should get crystal clear phone calls. And then we have safety and warranty information right here. All right. And then let's see. And then it switches to another language, it looks like. So we good on that. Alright. Alright, so real quick walkthrough of the user manual. Real quick unboxing. Real quick first impressions. And I'm super excited to start using these. Okay? Because essentially, these have everything that I'm looking for in a pair of truly wireless earbuds, okay? So, really good charging case, really good overall battery life. The only downside I can see with these together is the continuous usage with each earbud. I'm hoping that I can use them independently, all right? But the continuous usage, using them together, that seems a little bit low. But we're going to put that to the test and let you guys and gals know in my full review. All right. So this pretty much does it for the RCA truly wireless earbuds unboxing and first impressions. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion. If you did enjoy the video or you found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. My full review for these should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all be on the lookout for that. We're also going to do a fit and sound demo as well, so you should get a general idea of how they fit and an overall idea of how they may potentially sound. So y'all be on the lookout for that as well. If this video piqued your interest, all the links to where you can pick these bad boys up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second with external audio hooked up. Now I'm using my lapel clip-on microphone to record this audio here today for you guys and gals. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. Alright, that being said, I hope everyone has a great day and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. We are out of here.
Perfect.